Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by isolating the issue across your home network and devices. Check if other devices can access the internet to isolate the problem. Inspect the modem and router power and unplug them for 30 seconds before reconnecting. Verify Ethernet cables are firmly seated between modem and router. Run a ping test to 8, 8, 8, 8 and note response times and packet loss. Open a command prompt and use ipconfig to view your IP for address and gateway. Confirm your device has a DHCP assigned IP4 address rather than an APIPA address. Perform simple fixes in sequence to avoid unnecessary changes. Power cycle your modem, router, and client device for 30 seconds each before testing connectivity. Log into your router at 192, 168, 1, and check the WAN status for errors or missing IPs. Update router firmware if an update is available, then reboot the router again. Change your Wi-Fi channel to a less congested channel and set 20 MHz on 4 GHz to reduce interference. Try alternate DNS servers like 8, 8, 8, 8 and 1, 1, 1, 1 to bypass DNS resolution problems. If quick fixes fail, use advanced troubleshooting focused on configuration and hardware. On Windows, run ipconfig/release, then ipconfig/renew to refresh your DHCP lease immediately. If DHCP fails, assign a static IP inside your router's LAN range, matching the gateway and subnet mask. Check router logs for frequent reboots or hardware errors that indicate failing components. Perform a factory reset only after backing up settings, then reconfigure SSID and passwords. Replace routers older than 5 years or with persistent hardware faults, and contact your ISP if the WAN link remains limited.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.